Anybody here for LA Guns last week? I was here. It was hot in here. And you guys, this is a lot. It's a good looking crowd. That's the best way to put it. You're a good looking crowd. So, anyway, I'm going to sing a song tonight I haven't sung in like 25 years. Come on. And I'm going to do it tonight. It's on the live stream. If you're watching the live stream, welcome. I hear there's people from Japan. There's all sorts of people from all over the world joining us right here in East Nashville. So that means there's some dude like sitting in his robe, like sitting there like at the Starbucks, like, and we're all here getting hot and having a good time. Yes. And it's the best of both worlds. So anyway, this is called The Captain. It's from a record called Miracle Mile. And like I said, I think the last time I did this was Norway, like 1996. And people are still booing. So that's here we go. Give me the thumbs. If you do this for 3 minutes, you're amazing. He was a captain, flew a silver sail, playing a wind song like a part of the sea. He found the sunshine, shattered the stars like a part of the ocean, a part of the sea. What he did not fear didn't hurt him. What he did not see didn't find. And he would not run from the answers. What he did not hear were the lies. He never heard the lies. Ooh. Yeah. He told a story, he sailed through storms, he painted a picture, he lived in the sea. Some say it was crazy, living in a dream, but he sailed with a reason, out on a crystal sea. But what he did not fear didn't hurt him, what he did not see he didn't find. And he did not run from the answers. What I did not feel were the lies. So sail on, Captain. Oh, sail on, Captain, sail on, Captain, sail on. Lift your guiding line, lead you across the ocean. And though his eyes were old, and so much more than many men could see, many men could see. And even though he's gone, his legacy lives on. A simple thing that takes me across the sea and home again. It takes me across the sea and home again. He was a captain, full of silver sail, playing a wind song like a part of the sea. Oh, what I did not feel didn't hurt him. What I did not see, he didn't find. And it will not walk from the answers. What I did not hear were the lies. He never heard the lies. So sail on, Captain. Oh, sail on, yeah. Say, Captain, sail on, Captain, sail on. Captain, sail on. There's a storm, a sea keeps raging on. Sometimes I miss my home. Take me home, take me home. And I can feel when the wind blows. Hear I hear you call my name. Take me home, 'cause I've been away too long. Take me, let the Spirit lead me home. Let the silver day. I try to live just like the captain. I try to live just like the captain.